Hello everyone. So today we are going to add fractions with unlike denominators using a number line. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and read our word problem here. It says Jack and Jill go to a pizza parlor. They both get their own plate of lasagna and are unable to eat their whole meal. Jack brings home 1/3 of his lasagna and Jill brings home 1/4 of her lasagna. How much lasagna did they bring home combined? So we see that we need to add 1/3 plus 1/4. In using a number line, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and draw our number line. And we're going to number that from 0 all the way to 1. So the first one says 1/3. We're going to break this line up into 3 equal parts. So that's 1, 2, 3. And it says to shade in one area of the 3 parts. So we're going to go ahead and shade in one area here. And that is our 1/3, okay? Next, we're going to do the same that we did here for the 1/4. Go ahead and do that. We're going to do 0 again, all the way to 1. And it's telling us it has 4 parts. So we're going to divide our line into 4 equal parts. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 1/4. So we're going to go ahead and shade in 1 of the 4 parts. And that equals 1/4. Next, what we want to do is, in order to figure out our common denominator, we need to subdivide each one of our 2 number lines. So since we have 1/3 here, we're going to subdivide each 3rd part into 4 equal parts. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to do the same thing for the bottom here for the 1/4, but we're going to subdivide each 4 parts into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. And again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we see that our common denominator is going to be 12. So the common denominator is 12. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw our 3rd number line, and we're going to add them both together. Okay, so we can still do it from 0 to 1. And we're going to do the same thing we did up here. We're going to do 3 equal parts. Excuse me. And we're going to break each 3rd into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We're going to go ahead and shade in our 2 areas. 1, 2, 3, right, for 1/3. And we're going to shade in 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, all we have to do is count. We know that our common denominator is 12. We'll go ahead and put that on the bottom there. And we're going to count 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 out of 12. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 4 out of 12. Combined is 7 out of 12 parts. So our answer, 1/3 plus 1/4, equals 7/12.